In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact on Adobe Acrobat, a full 2025 guide. Whether you're working on sensitive documents or just need to tidy up a PDF by removing certain sections, redaction in Adobe Acrobat can ensure your privacy and the confidentiality of your information. So let's dive in step by step and you'll be redacting like a pro in no time. First, let's open up Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the document you'd like to work on by opening a PDF file in Acrobat. If your file is somewhere on your computer, make sure to find it and have it ready to open. This first step is all about setting up the document that you'll be redacting. Next, head over to the left section of your screen where you'll find the All Tools tab. Click on this tab to reveal a variety of editing options. What we're interested in is the redaction tool, so select Redact a PDF from the available options. This tool is specifically designed to help you eliminate or obscure sensitive content within your document with ease. Now it's time to select the content you intend to redact. Using your mouse, click and drag over the text or images you wish to remove. As you perform this action, you'll see that the selected areas are marked, indicating what will be redacted. This allows you to ensure you've chosen precisely the right information before finalizing any changes. Precision is key here, so take your time to cover all necessary areas. Once satisfied with your selection, move on to the next step by clicking on Apply. This action essentially locks in your choice, making the selected areas ready for redaction. After clicking Apply, it's important to note that this action isn't reversible, so make sure that you're absolutely certain about the areas you've highlighted before proceeding. Upon applying the redaction, a confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen. This step serves as a final check to ensure that you're sure about removing the highlighted content. This is Acrobat's way of double checking with you and adding an additional layer of certainty that the redaction process fits your needs perfectly. To proceed, click on Continue in the confirmation dialog box. This finalizes the redaction process, guaranteeing that the selected information is permanently removed or hidden, maintaining the document's confidentiality and professionalism. Lastly, you'll want to save your edited document to ensure that all your changes are kept. Look for the save icon and click on it. Choose a location on your computer where you want the updated PDF to be stored, rename if necessary, and hit save. And there you have it, your document is now safely redacted and stored. By following these steps, your documents will be secured and properly formatted using Adobe Acrobat's redaction tools. Feel free to revisit any section of this guide as needed, and don't hesitate to explore additional tools within Acrobat to further enhance your document management skills. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this guide helpful.